Welcome to this video tutorial on how to change a picture's background on Picsart. So first thing to do is to open our Picsart app. Now we need to look for the image we want to use as a background. So we're going to click on trending backgrounds and we are going to choose this picture right here with a very green path. Now that the background image is in our project, we need to scroll to the right and click on add photo. Now our gallery is open and we need to look for a high contrast image. So we resize it and now we are going to click on the erase button and we click on select. After we click on select, we click on person and it will automatically erase the background of our picture. This works with pictures that have a person in it. And as you can see, the results are very good. Now let me show you why I said that we need to use a high contrast image. If we search for a picture where the subject has a lower contrast, for example there's this picture here, you can see the arm with which the girl is holding her head has very low contrast with that specific part of the background. So we do the same, we click on erase, now we click on person, and as you can see, the girl's arm was not precisely removed from the background. You can still work with this image, it doesn't look bad at all, but it's not as clean as the high contrast image we did first. This is how you can remove a picture's background in Picsart. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.